Welcome to KSR Datavision. This is the first preview session of Power Platform course. So what we will be covering today, I will be giving you introduction about Power Platform, what Power Platform is, and then we will be discussing regarding course curriculum, how it looks like, what we will be covering here, and what will be the duration of course, what you can expect from us, everything that we will cover here. First of all, a quick introduction to myself. So I am Indrajit Singh. I'm having 6+ years of experience in IT industry. I have worked on various Microsoft products. I have worked on Power Platform, entire Power Platform. Then I have worked on Dynamics 365. I have worked on JavaScript development, C# development. I have worked with Azure also, some sort of Azure services also. I'm expert in data analytics and Azure data engineering. I'm certified Power Platform as well as a Power BI trainer and developer. I have expertise in working with oil and gas domain, banking domain, healthcare industry, with food and beverages industry. And I am working as a lead engineer at Striker, and I'm associated as a mentor also with KSR Datavision. I have 3 years of training experience. I have experience in taking both online and offline classes. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. So this is quick introduction about myself, like who will be the instructor, who will be taking your journey ahead. Okay. Now guys, let us go ahead and let me try to show you. So basically I will be creating a flow chart for Power Platform. So you will be able to understand what Power Platform is. As of now, might be most of you must be having doubt what is Power Platform. You must have seen this buzzword around you, Power Platform, Power Apps and all. So today all the doubts related to Power Platform, what Power Platform is, what it consists of, it will be cleared. And one more thing I want to say, like I'm a kind of instructor where I want you to involve in the class, where I want you to respond in the class. Okay, fine, guys. So let us start Power Platform. So, guys, Power Platform consists of four components. First one is Power BI. Then you have Power Apps. Then you have Power Automate. Virtual agents. So, guys, this Power Virtual Agents is now deprecated. It is called as Copilot Studio. Okay, previously its name was Power Virtual Agent. So these are the four products in Power Platform. Okay. So guys, can you tell me what is this O365 products? Anyone remembers? Office 365 products.
Word, Excel, PowerPoint.
Word, Excel, right? Word,
PowerPoint,
Excel, PowerPoint, Notepad, right?
OneNote.
OneNote. So these are all the bundle of product provided by Microsoft under O365 license, right? Similarly, Power Platform is the tech stack which is provided by Microsoft with these four technologies in it. Okay. So guys, Power BI, as you already know, it will help you do the data visualizations process, right? With the help of Power Apps, you will be able to create apps. With the help of Power Automate, you will be able to create automations. And with the help of this thing, you will be able to create chatbots. Right? Clear, guys? What are the four products in Power Platform? Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio. Now, Power Apps is further divided into three categories. Canvas apps, model driven apps, and Power Pages. Okay. Then this Power Automate is further divided into two categories. Power Automate, Cloud, Power Automate, Desktop. Okay. So Power BI, you already know, like if you have worked on Power BI, I'm assuming that most of you must have worked on Power BI. If not, then we will be covering it here. So Power BI in Power BI, you will be having the desktop client, which is called as Power BI Desktop. And you will be having Power BI service to share the report. Okay, so in Power Apps, you have three types of apps: Canvas apps, model driven apps, Power Pages. In Canvas apps, you will be able to create UI focused app. What I mean by UI focus, you will be having complete control over the UI. Okay. Then in model driven apps, you will be able to create data focused app. So here UI is not much controllable, but it is mostly used when you have quite a large amount of data. So then with the help of Power Pages, you will be able to create websites. Clear, guys? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Cool. So these are the various stuff in the Power Platform. And with Power Platform, as you know, this is an entire tech stack in itself, because you will be able to create apps, you will be able to create automations, you will be able to embed chatbots, and all these products can be integrated with each other. That means you can integrate Power BI with Power Apps. You can integrate Power Apps with Power BI, Power Automate. You can integrate these things together. Even cross integration is also possible. If you want to integrate Power Apps with this, that is also possible. Okay, so these are tightly coupled. By tightly coupled, what I mean is, as these are in the same environment, right? So these can be integrated with each other to achieve a common business goal. By common business goal, what I mean is, suppose you have a business goal where you have to build an automation, where you have to build an application, right? So in application, if you have seen, like if you consider this KSR Datavision application itself, you are clicking on a button, you are able to join the class from Zoom, right? So that means what? We have integrated the Zoom with our website, right? KSR Datavision website. So similarly in Power Apps, if you want to do some automation, like you want to send email, you want to do some specific task on a button click, you can integrate Power Automate with that and you will be able to achieve that. If you want to show some data analysis visuals in the Power Apps, you can create a report in Power BI, integrate it with Power Apps, you will be able to see it there. Similarly, if you want to embed chatbot in your apps, you can create a chatbot and embed it in the Power Apps. Okay, I hope guys you are able to relate.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So as this is a tech stack, so it must be having some data solution also with itself, right? So the database that comes out of the box with Power Platform, it's called as DataVerse. Previously, it was called as Common Data Service. Now Microsoft renamed it to DataVerse. What are the other capabilities of Power
Uh,
Platform?
Sorry for interruption. So, can you repeat again what is the DataVerse?
Dataverse is nothing. It is the data solution that comes with the Power Platform. It is a database. In short, if I will say, this is the database that comes with the Power Platform license.
Okay. And what is the Dreamio?
Sorry, what is the
Dreamio.
Dreamio?
Yeah.
Can you spell it for me?
DREMIO.
Dreamio.
Yes.
Where you have seen it in Power Platform?
Yeah, it is included in D65. It's a Power Platform.
Dreamio. It is something AI Power Adventure STEM or something. This is different thing. This is not related to Power Platform.
But it's term used in my office, but not related I am handling. But my client sometimes use this word term to use in the.
No, no.
Mhm.
It is something intelligent lakehouse platform. This is different platform altogether. Dreamio.
Okay.
If you have something related to this, you can share me the interface or something. Then I will be able to explain it much better. But this I am 110% sure this is not related to Power Platform. It can be a project that you have built, but not a standard concept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Then.
Fine. So guys, then after that, there are few other add-on things provided with Microsoft. Then is AI Builder. So in AI Builder, what is there? Like in AI, you will be having different models, right? Like text classification model, document processing model, sentiment analysis model. So all those models are provided with the Power Platform. So some are custom models, some are pre-trained model. So in pre-trained model, you have to use it directly. You don't have to train them. So in custom model, you have to train them with the data, then you will be able to use. So you can use AI capabilities also in your Power Platform to enhance their capability. Okay. So this is the entire Power Platform. We will be covering everything in the class, starting with the walkthrough to advanced concept, to the licensing part of it, to the integration with AI Builder, integration with Power Automate. Everything we will be covering here. So you guys can look at this slide, try to think in what Power Platform is. If you have any doubt in this slide, you can tell me. If you are able to get this slide, so I think the next session will be cakewalk for you because we have explained this thing only in the what to say PPT.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have one doubt that as you tell in PowerApps there are three components: Canvas app, model-driven apps, and PowerPage. So uh, all are used for creating sites. So for which requirements we can go for Canvas app, model-driven apps, and Power Pages? How we
So
can
Jitendra,
yeah.
yes, I got your question. All are not used for creating site. For website, you are using Power Pages. If you have to create apps, so then you have two options: Canvas apps or model-driven apps. So Canvas apps will be used when you want to have customized UI. By customized UI, what I means, suppose you want to have the Jitendra, suppose you are the logged in user and you want to see your name in red color in a box in
Mm.
the center of screen. So then what you will go do is you will create a Canvas app because in Canvas app you have control over the look and feel. Okay. If your look and feel is not mandatory, it's not your what to say matter of concern. Then what you can do, you can go ahead and create a model driven app. In model driven app, you can't control the look and feel of thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Do we can combine all these three to creating an application like Canvas, model
Yeah,
driven?
you can integrate. Cross integration is possible.
Yeah, hi.
That Indra, I want just if we need to create a customized UI
Hmm.
and along with the data driven, is it
Hmm.
possible?
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm
Then
saying.
we
That's what I'm saying.
sorry.
These are cross integrated, tightly coupled product. You can integrate one in the other.
Okay, means that we can have that. Let's make it a simple form. That's a registration form with
Mhm.
the Canvas app, and that attach with the model driven with the, because we have to have a logic also in the behind, right? After click on registration button, then it will be creating that complete information is going to store into the some of the database or somewhere, right? That
Right.
will be covered under the model driven, right? Sorry, if hello,
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
you getting me that what my question is that when I want
Yeah,
to
yeah. Your question
um
is related to like if it can be embedded or not. So yeah, it can be embedded. So how? For that, I think let's wait. In the course, we will cover that because if I'll start
sure.
explaining that now, For other people,
Sure.
it will be overwhelming, right?
Oh,
So
yeah,
I
I
don't
understand.
want to do that. Okay, anything, any else, anyone else, any doubt?
Yeah,
Uh,
as you said, Power Apps consist Canvas apps, model driven app, and Power Pages. So will these three cover in this course? Are you going to cover
Everything that
these
you are
three?
able to see on your screen, every single word, everything will be covered in this
Yeah,
course. And
per-
this is what is there in the Power Platform. There is nothing else apart from this
yeah,
that you can
perfect,
check on what to say Microsoft documentation also and on the other online forms also.
perfect. Thank you.
Indra, I have one question.
Mhm.
So if I have a report in Power BI and so I have like multiple reports in Power BI, say assuming 25 to 30 reports. Now my client's requirement is I don't want to use 25 different links. I want to create it as an application, reporting application within Power Apps. And then it should also be something like, okay, I see in the report that, okay, these are the things which are done and these are the things which are not done based on the report. And there should be an action in Power Apps which through integrating Power Automate that, okay, which are not done needs to be completed. So something
Neha, think like this. Okay,
hmm,
all these have separate license. Suppose for Power BI, the license cost is $10, and for Canvas app, it is for Power Apps, it is $10. So if your client wants to have a single link, that is not necessarily you can go ahead in the Canvas app and embed it, because then it will cost $20 to the client, right? So just for
yeah,
this
so
embedding
they
or
have every license and everything it is associated. So
yeah,
license is
and
not an issue.
license is not an issue, that is fine, but you should not introduce other product just for this thing, what to say, combining the link. You have a concept in Power BI itself where you can create a single link for all the 25 reports. So let me see if people are able to recall. Kafu, Chaitanya, would you like to tell me like what is the concept that you will use to create a single link for all the reports?
We can create the app
Dashboard.
Yes,
with all yes,
correct. So
in the
Neha, what you
service.
can do, you can create a Power BI app. So in Power BI app, you can add all those 25 reports, and or the link will get, or there will be only one link which will get generated. And the main thing is you will be able to get the website kind of experience there. Okay. And even you can share that app with the entire organization also. They don't have to do, you don't have to control the access mechanism also if you want to. But if you want to share it with specific user, that also you can do.
Okay. So
Okay.
that will be part of the curriculum.
Yeah, it will be part of the curriculum, the Power BI, what to
Okay.
say, Power BI module.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I have a
Sure.
question.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Gopi.
I want to make an Android app with this Power platforms or not.
Again, Android app you can't make because this is Power Platform, but you can access in the Android. What you can do, you can go ahead, download Power Apps from Android or App Store, and then in
Okay.
that you can log in with your organization account, and you will be able to access all the apps on your Android or iPhone device.
Okay. Sure.
Okay,
Thanks.
fine. So guys,
can you 1 second? Like, can you show any app that you created, like you have, how it
yes,
looks?
yes. So, guys, everything is planned. So let me move ahead from this slide. Only then I will be able to show. So if I was asking if you have any doubt in the current slide, so then you can ask. Don't ask me generic doubts now. We have the dedicated doubt session. Otherwise, we will not be able to cover the concepts. Is it clear the site which you are able to see in front of your screen now?
Yes,
Like
just
how is it
only
Power Platform?
yeah, just only one question. Where this Dataverse fits in this entire picture?
Is the shared thing across all the things. This is the data source.
Okay.
Like, can't we use any other data source like SQL or
Yeah, you
Azure?
can. If you are not able to use other data source, so then this product must have not been this much adoption in the market, right? It has integration with others. This is the DataVerse is the one that comes with a license, Power
Okay.
Platform license itself. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Cool, guys, got it? This Power Platform introduction is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now, guys, next thing is who can learn Power Platform. As you must have seen what Power Platform is. So now we will discuss who can learn Power Platform. Anyone who don't know any coding, anyone who don't want to take the pain of taking large codes in Java, JavaScript, or any other modern programming language, you don't want to take the pain of writing semicolons, syntaxes, functions. So then you can go ahead and learn Power Platform. Anyone who is trying to switch from non-IT to IT, for them also it will be easier way to learn and switch their domain. It is good opportunity for fresher also because you will be able to learn in 4 months, and after 4 months you can simply go ahead and clear the interviews. And the people who have career gap, for them also it will be a good choice. And if you want to cross skill yourself, like suppose you're already working on SharePoint, what you're not getting some more opportunities on the SharePoint. Suppose you are working on in any support projects, you're not getting much opportunities in the support project. So then what you can do is you can cross skill yourself on Power Platform and you will be able to like get more opportunities around that. Okay. So these are the few things which you can consider, like who can learn this. I hope it was able to answer a few questions of yours. So then we have the similar slide that you have seen what is Power Platform, that you already know by now, like it is a group of product and these are all the products which are there in the Power Platform. So now next thing is who is Power Platform developer. So Power Platform developer is the one who knows in and out about Power BI, who knows about PowerApps, who knows about Power Virtual Agents, who knows about Copilot Studio, who knows about Power Pages. And by combining all this, you will be able to like get some interview guidance also here. So once you have done all this checkbox ticked, yeah, so then like you can go ahead and appear for interviews. So then most of you must be having doubts on what are the various certification related to Power Platform. So these are all the certifications which are related to Power Platform. First one is PL 900. Right away after this course, you can go ahead and appear for this. So then these are some specific certification. This is for app maker. This is for functional consultant. This is for Power BI. This is for Power Automate desktop. This is for, sorry, this is for Power Platform developer. This is for Power Automate desktop, and this is for architect. So these are all the certifications which are there in Power Platform. So you guys can take a snapshot of it, or you want to by heart it, that is also fine. But this is the basic certification that you can go ahead for this thing, and it will be cost around, I guess, 45 to 6,000, somewhere between this rupees, not dollars. Okay, clear about certification, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, why Power Platform is in demand? So, like these are some of the highlighters that we have added here. So it is growing rapidly because organizations are realizing the benefits of using low code, no code tools. It is having everyone wants to do the digital transformation in their business. So that due to that, it is in high demand. And as of now, there is shortage of skill developer. How I can say that? I will validate that point in coming slide. Then rapidly growing market. The platform is very versatile that you must have seen. Like it has solution for everything. Let it be data analysis, let it be apps, let it be automation, let it be chatbots, let it be data set, let it be AI builder, right? So it is very versatile. So, and it has collaboration opportunities. So due to that, it is in demand. Okay. Now, guys, I want you to give me some pointers. What are the benefits of low code, no code tools as per you? Because some of you must be the working professionals, right? Or some of you must have been done something in this thing is domain, right? So that's why you are here.
The drag and drop will be.
The Power FX is like an not hard. It's like an Excel formula, so that we can use in Power Platform.
fast development.
We can
Easily,
easily
agile.
create
Business
apps
can
without
manage that application also too.
One was drag and drop. That means like less, I would say, time efficient, right? You don't have to spend a lot of time on the UI part, right? What were others?
The effects, like power effects, it's like Excel formula.
Yeah, so there I would say like less coding, right? Less coding, more impact. Can we say that?
Yeah.
What else?
Less cost.
Yeah, less cost. Less cost in what way? Why less cost? Because it will be resource,
Yes.
what to say, resource minimized will be there, right? There will be less resources. I would say less resources, okay, required. Then what else? And the main thing is what to say, if you think yourself as a project manager or a client, so you will be able to get the turnaround time will be very less as compared to other applications. So suppose you are doing something in Java or in JavaScript or in React development. Similar app will take around 6 to 7 months, right? For creating. But here in Power Platform, you can create it in 1 to 2 months. You will be able to see the end product in front of you in very less time, right? Less turnaround time. Okay, so these are all the factors due to which organization are preferring low code, no code tools. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. So now I was mentioning about shortage of skill developer. So I'm not saying there are no developer in the market as of now for Power Platform. There are, but there are very less developer in the market who knows end to end about Power Platform, what are Power Apps, how to integrate with each other, what are the architecture behind it, what you can achieve with that. There are very few who knows end to end. There are developers in the market who are very good with Power BI, but they don't know might be Power Automate. There are some developers who might be good with Canvas apps, but they don't know what is DataVerse, what are DataVerse concepts, what is model-driven apps, what are Power Pages. So there are very less developers who knows end to end. So if you know things end to end, all the products, so then you are the skill developer in Power Platform. You will be considered a skill developer, and you will be a standalone, I would say the one man army, because you will be able to do everything on your own, right? So your demand will be very high in the market. And why I am saying all these things? Because I have taken around 150 plus interviews in my organization as well as in my projects also. Okay. So these interviews were at various levels like senior developer, junior developer, and right now also we are hiring for tech architect. Okay. Tech arc. And I have taken interviews for all these people, and this is the same pattern that I have observed in these interviews. Okay. That's why this point is here. Shortage of skill developer. I hope that you guys got it.
And what is the salary range start for this for power platform developer? Any roughly range?
Yeah, I'll tell you. First of all, you guys are clear with this? Why it is in demand? Guys, respond yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Let's go ahead. I'll explain about salary and all. Okay. So these are some of the job opportunities that we took snapshot from Naukri.com. So then we have again what is Power Platform Developer. So I will not go much into this now. because you already know this. It has Power BI, Power Apps, Power App Automate, Power Virtual Agents. Then you have AI Builder, DataVerse, and these are the data connectors. With the help of this, you will be able to connect with other data sources, SQL, Excel, and all. Okay. Now, next thing is who will be the Power Platform developer. So Power Platform developer will be the one who is responsible for designing the application, development of the application, testing the application, deploying the application, maintaining the application, and collaborating with business for the continuous improvement. So basically, Power Platform will be doing entire SDLC on their own. That is, SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Okay. Lifecycle. So any software that you will develop, this will be the life cycle of that, right? You will be getting the requirement, designing it, developing it, testing it, deploying it, maintaining it, and collaborating with business for continuous improvement, isn't it?
Yes.
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 Right. So, guys, this technology is backed by Microsoft, and you already know the other products which are created by Microsoft, like Windows, Office 365, and all. So those are everlasting products. So similarly, it has backing from Microsoft. So due to that, you are able to see large adoption in the market. So brand is always brand. So you guys can be secured for at least, I would say, 5-6 years, because it is not going to go anywhere, right? And now they are improving it a lot. I think, like, I have one activity for you. I want you to go ahead, take out your mobile phone, search low code, no code market growth, and tell me the percentage of CAGR in which it is growing. Low code, no code market growth. Search this and tell me the percent. CAGR, compounded average growth.
19.2%.
19.2%.
20, 28
Yes.
I got.
Yes, it is somewhere in the ranges of 25, 32, somewhere there. So let's not say 32. Let's keep it as 20, 25 itself. So 25% market growth, guys, annually. Just imagine how much big this market is, the low code, no code market. The money, if you have it in FD, it will give you 7% growth. Right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
it is growing at 25% CAGR, the market value. Okay. So if market is growing, opportunities will also grow. This low code, no code adoption will also grow. Okay. So now next thing is what we will provide you at KSR Datavision. We will be providing you almost 100 hours of content. There will be 80 session, and there will be around, like, there is typo here, around 7
Hello.
to 8 real-time projects.
Hello.
Yeah, someone is there. Yeah, please tell me.
Sorry to interrupt you. This is Ajita. I have a doubt. You shown previously the market growth is high for Power Platform.
Sorry, your voice is little low. Can you be little louder?
Your previous slide shows the market growth of Power Platform is high, but in present market, AI build apps directly. Why will companies adapt Power Platforms or Power Apps?
Yeah, so who was it? What was your name?
My name is Ajita.
Sorry,
Ajita.
Ajita. Look, Ajita, like, these are all the rumors. Like, AI will create everything for you. If AI would have created everything for us, so then there will not be 80 sessions, right? First of all.
Okay.
Second thing is, like, if AI will create everything for you, I just want you to go ahead and check on Naukri or LinkedIn and check how many jobs are there related to this Power Platform and all. If AI would have created, then there would not be any jobs, right? So
Okay.
AI, as per me, can be a helping tool for you, but it can't create everything, right? Because that is also a thing which is developed by us humans.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I know like you guys will get impacted by this, like okay, AI will create and all, but I want you to go ahead, enroll in this, and then get your doubts cleared. So you will be able to. I will be showing you the projects also that we have created here. So just it's a matter of time. Let me complete this thing, then I will take all the questions. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, the content will be what to say. I will not be able to cover the content. Okay, just
Okay. Okay.
give me 10 more minutes, guys. I will be taking everything. I'm not
Okay.
going anywhere. I'll answer each and every question of yours. Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
So we will be creating various real-time projects. So how real-time projects looks like when we will be in the Power BI module, we will create one report in session where we will learn all the concepts. So then I will give one report as a homework to you. These are two. Then one app we will create, Canvas app. One you will create in the homework. Two. One model driven app. One in the homework. Two. Then we will create one Power Pages website and around almost 20 to 25 Power Automate Flow and their integration. So if you take the count, it is 7 to 8 projects. Again, in projects, you will be learning everything, every feature, how to cross integrate and all those things. And apart from this, you will be getting the organization account. Suppose your name is Arun. You will be getting Arun at the rate ksrconsultantservices.com, and your license, that 1 year free license, will tag to this. You have to log in with this account. You will be able to see that license associated. Then I will be providing you interview guidance, resume preparation assistance. Then we will be learning about the soft skill, how to answer. Then we have tie up with the companies. We will provide you referrals and all, and we have dedicated placement cell, as Mahesh also mentioned in the starting of the class. Like we have dedicated placement sessions where you can tell us if you're facing any issues, like if you are not getting calls, if you need any help in the interviews and all, we can do that. Now guys, these are few other courses which are provided by KSR. So if you are interested in this, you guys can guys can call on the number which are flashing on the screen. So this is it. Now let me go ahead and show you the detailed curriculum also. Just give me a sec.
Can you show your number once?
This is not my number. This is KSR
Okay,
Datavision number.
okay, 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 thanks.
Indra, just as you mentioned, full stack Power BI, and
Uh-huh.
that we are also covering Power BI, right?
Yeah, we
What
are.
is the difference? What is the difference here, and that what is in the full stack Power BI? Are we not
In
covering
full stack
everything?
Power BI, you will be learning SQL end to end. You will be learning Azure. Here, you will be only learning Power BI.
There will be a learning. Okay, okay, I understand. Okay.
There, you will be learning SQL also, na? SQL queries, indexes, and all. SQL also you will be learning, and Azure also. So here you will be learning the entire Power BI as a platform,
Okay,
not the
and that
supporting.
for and also in this course, are we learning that one where we are, let's suppose we create a app, right? And we are storing into the VSS, right? VSS or any Azure app platform, Microsoft platform, right? Are we have that all this coverage there also? Let's as a we having a 5 developer in that team, right? Everybody is creating a app, right? And then we have to store into the some of the storage, right? That so tomorrow that if I need that somebody need my app what I'm working on that one, he can take it and he will be continue on the working on that further, right?
Yeah, so you don't have to store it somewhere. It is already a cloud platform. It will be stored in the environment. You don't have to extract and store it. But if you want to maintain the versioning of it, you can integrate it with Git.
Okay, we will be learning that one also along with the Git, right? How we integrate and everything, right?
Yeah. So basically, that is straightforward, Ravi. So you just have to do the UI part, and it will be done.
Okay,
Even
sure.
even even PowerApps provide you versioning for 30 days out of the box.
And that in 2 developer can work at same time on the same app.
As of now, that feature is introduced, but it is not that much, I would say, recommended to work, because there are various instances where you will lose on updates. Co-authoring is provided as of like they have added it in, I guess, 3 releases back.
Okay, let's example that one, that in that one of the app I'm working on this some particular portion of the app, and that my other colleague is working on the some other portion of the app, right? And
Yeah.
then if we need to integrate together, right? How
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will
So then
be?
you can simply copy paste, everything will get copied there, including code.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, please hold on. Let me complete first, then you can ask your doubts. Otherwise, I will not be able to complete. So these are the modules, guys. First is Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, Copilot Studio, Admin Center, Basic SQL and Excel manipulations, and then we will be like in 7th module will be covered here itself, where we will be creating projects. So now, guys, for your batch, we will be starting with Power Apps. First thing will be Canvas app, then DataVerse, model-driven apps, PowerApps portals. And then after that, we will go ahead and start Power Automate, that is Power Automate Cloud, Power Automate Desktop. Then we will go ahead and start Microsoft Copilot Studio, then Power Platform Admin Center, then basic SQL and Excel manipulation. And then last module will be the Power BI. Okay. So this is how the module structure looks like. And this is the day-wise plan that you have. And guys, this is very high level plan. And there are many things which are not written here. If you can see here in Power Automate Cloud, these are the extra topic that we have added. And in Power BI Service, these are the detailed topics which are there. Then there are some other topics which were added in the which were added in the product before after the plan was created. So we have added everything here. So I just want to make one statement. You guys can leave on this, leave this part on me for the entire curriculum and all. I will be very honest. I will be teaching you everything which is there in the platform. But I want one commitment from you. Whatever we are discussing in the class, you have to, what to say, practice. You have to do the research on that so that you guys are getting the most out of it. This is about the curriculum, guys. Now let me go ahead on the white page again and let me explain you about the various career paths that you can create with the help of Power Platform Developer. So guys, with Power Platform, once you have mastered this tech stack, Power Platform. So in Power Platform, there is something called as model-driven apps, right? You guys know that model-driven apps? Is it in Power Platform, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Power
Yes.
apps.
Yes.
So Power Model-Driven Apps serves as the foundation. Model-Driven Apps plus DataVerse serves as the foundation of something called as Dynamics 365. Okay, so you can learn C#, .NET, and JavaScript libraries, and you can become Dynamics 365 developer. So this thing you will be able to learn here. If you want to grow your career in this thing in coding domain, so then you can go ahead and learn these two things, and you will be able to become a Microsoft Dynamics 365 developer. Okay, and you have seen Power Automate Desktop also, right? Is it in Power Platform?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is a RPA tool also, standalone RPA tool. RPA stands for Robotics Process Automation. So previously it was a niche tool, but now it has emerged as a market leader. Okay, what are the other competitors in the market? One is Blue Prism,
UiPath.
UiPath. Third one is
Automation anywhere.
Automation Anywhere. These are the other market leaders. Now it becomes the fourth market leader. Okay. So you can go into this role also, you can go into this role also, and Power Platform Developer is already there. So what we are doing here is we are going for the broader role, that is Power Platform Developer. But if you want to go into this also, that also you can do, but this also you can do. Okay. So these are some career paths. So let me quickly get rid of this. And now let me tell you the salary ranges that someone was having some doubt. So guys, these are ranges. Okay, these are the salary range that I'm going to tell you. This is not the exact salary. The exact salary depends on various factors. What are those factors? It depends on the budget of organization. It depends on your current CTC. It depends on the level on which you are getting hired. Then it depends on your skills also. Right? But recently, like if you have seen the people, there is a student called as Koteshwari. You must have seen in KSR LinkedIn or my LinkedIn. So she got placed with 100% hike. Whatever she was withdrawing after learning the course, she got placed with 100% hike. Even her interview with me, mock interview with me, is on YouTube channel of our KSR Datavision. If you want, you guys can go ahead and watch it. Okay. And there was one more student of mine in the previous batch, Monisha. She got placed with 150% high. Okay. So she joined as a delivery lead. And Koteshwari is working directly in the Microsoft office, Microsoft Hyderabad office for Power Platform developer. So these are the few hikes that that people got after learning this course.
So in which company he has selected? They will select.
There is some companies, something I guess Incubity or something. You can see it in the what to say this thing our channels. But the client is Microsoft. They are working. She's working in the client office. She's in Acuity, something like this. Acuity delivery lead. Okay. So now, even like in my organization, there were few people who were reporting to me. I trained them on Power Platform, and now that guy jumped from almost, I guess he was having 4.25, and now he jumped to 11 LPA. He's having 2.5 to 3 years of experience.
How much
Okay.
in the highest we can get?
Sorry.
How much highest we can get if we will develop, learn this platform?
Depends on these things. If you have 2 to 4 years of experience, you can get somewhere in the ranges of 13 to 15. If you have again 4 to 6 years of experience, you can get in the ranges of 20. If you have 6+ years of experience and you know this thing, you can get around 6 to 8, you can get 28 to 30. Then if 8+, then you can get somewhere around 30+. Might be here also you can get 25, 26. That is also a case. If you have already having good CTC, if you have good negotiation skills and all.
If
So are
we
you
are
talking about
from different domain,
Then also like once you have gone through the project, these guys are from different domain only. Koteshwari was from testing domain. Monisha learned only Power BI. So these guys went through the courses, they created their project and then explained the same project in the organization. They said we have worked on the Power Platform and these are the projects that we have created. So once you have the skills, you have created the projects, you can say like we have worked in Power Platform itself. Like we have worked on internal projects or something, right? But for all these things, these are the outcomes, guide. So for getting these outcomes, you have to work hard. You have to create the projects. You have to learn the stuff. So you have to grind for next 4 months. Only then you will be able to get this outcome. Okay.
Indra, that how many classes in a week? Is 5 or that? It will
Yeah,
be 7.
classes also I'll explain. Let me get rid of this thing.
Yeah.
Class structure also I will explain. Just give me a sec here. So there will be 5 classes every week, Monday to Friday. Structure will look like at 7:30. We will start. I would request every one of you to join on time. We will discuss the doubts for 7:35 till 7:35. We will start the actual content at 7:35. Then we will have The classes is 8:30 to 8:45 depending on the content for that day. Then we will have doubt session and we will have hard stop at 9. Okay, it is 1.5 hour total. Clear?
So also just I have one question. So it is will be downloaded uh, for example, if I want to download this class and save in my local drive, so it is possible for it.
Downloading a class, so then I guess that will not be recommended. Why? Because this is intellectual property, right? So downloading and sharing that might
No,
cause damage to us.
I understand. But for example, let's say
No,
the
I'm not
class.
sure like if option is there, but it should not be there as per me. But
Yeah,
you can
okay.
have access to recordings for 1 year, as Mahesh mentioned. In the portal, you will be able to see the recordings for 1 year.
Yeah, that's why my question. Okay, so for example, if after 1 year I want to see something like watch and everything. Okay, so how we can see?
Yeah, so I think Satish is mentioning we have something called as LMS portal. For if you want to have lifetime access, you can get enrolled there in LMS portal. You can get in touch with our support team. They will guide you on that, Kaneya.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Now, guys, we are in doubt session. Any doubts which you have, you guys can ask me. Any doubts related to anything?
How can we pay for the session? Like an
How
entire
can you pay
session.
for the session? So as of now,
Yes.
guys, these 5 sessions will be free for all of us. Okay. So you guys can join 5 session and then make a decision on it. So in the 5th session, I'll tell you how to pay.
Can you tell me approx of money? How can we pay?
Sorry, how much is the course cost? That's what you were saying.
Yes. Approximation. Like
Yeah,
how can
it
we
will be
pay?
approx less than 30,000 only. You guys can get in touch with our team.
Okay.
You can pay one time also, you can pay in installments also. But if you are paying in one
And
time, it will be little, what to say, it will cost you little less.
Indra, that as you mentioned that you guys are providing a license for 1 year, and then this license, when will be having a license? And
Right
that
away
will
after the
be
6th class.
after 6 class, okay?
Yeah.
And first 5 classes will be completely theoretical, right?
No, not
Yep.
theoretical. We will be like creating things there. We are in second next class. We will be starting with Canvas app. I will be giving you walkthrough of Canvas app. Then in the 3rd class, we will be going ahead and starting creating the Canvas app from scratch. So basically, you will be having the lag of 2 days. So we will start the development from next class itself, not theoretical.
Okay. Theoretical, but then if we will be having a license on the 6th class, right? Then let's that we wanna register that one, then we will be having a license after 6th class, right?
Yeah.
Then how will covering the second and third class,
Yeah,
whatever, let's suppose
you
you
can cover it over the weekend, na Ravi. So just look, it is not operationally possible to create the license for each one of you, right? Because license cost us $100. So we can't provide it to
oh,
everyone. So we will be able to provide it to only enrolled students. Okay. So
yeah,
once we
understood.
have that clarity, only then we will be able to provide, isn't it?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. And guys, for regarding payment, let me tell you, for one-time payment, if you are doing, it is 25K. If you are doing 2 installment, it is 26K, the fee. If you are doing 3 installment, including it is 27K. And the fee includes all license, job assistance, resume building, and mock interviews.
And are you guys covering within India or outside of India too?
Yeah, you can join from anywhere. There is no geographical, what to say, constraints.
No, but as
Yeah, you can go.
you guys, sorry.
And for job supporting, it is for only India.
Job supporting. So for this Kanaya, you can check with Mahesh or Satish if you have idea on that. So you guys can tell me, because I am the trainer. Mahesh is the admin here, so he will be able to answer these questions. I would say more optimizely. So I would request you to wait for these questions. You can ask him tomorrow or in the last class.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Jitendra, in the market, for fresher vacancies are available for the Power Platform.
Again, like for fresher, there can be little less vacancies, but you have to take experience of 2 years, so that once you get this thing from here, so then you can get in touch with Mahesh. He might be able to help you around these things, the counseling part.
And we have a placement also.
Yeah, we will be able to provide you few opportunities.
Okay.
Hi,
You can get in touch with Mahesh or offline, Anil. He will guide you.
Hey, no, I didn't ask you what I think someone. So my doubt is can we attend the interviews after completing like Power Apps, only Power Apps or
Okay, there is little distortion in your voice. Can you please come again?
when we complete the Power Apps, can we attend the interview process?
Yeah, you can start in attending interviews after Power Automate, not from Power Apps.
Okay, that will be completed by between 1 month or 1 hour completed.
Yeah, entire Power Apps, all the three components, including DataVerse, it will take around 35 to 40 sessions. Okay, that will be around, I would say, 2 months
Okay.
in best case.
Like if I get while joining the class, or if I get an opportunity in some class,
Anil, your voice is very distorted. It seems there is some network issue. Are you guys
sorry,
able
sorry.
to hear him properly?
Is it clear now?
No.
Still